Hey guys, this is your friend Risha, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a game. And this game is related to Frozen. If you have watched Frozen 1 or Frozen 2, definitely going to like this game. And in this game, we're going to have two important characters, Anna and Elsa, and they're going to play tag. So this game is going to be really, really excited for you guys because one, it's your first game you might be making, or you have made one and you're making a new one. So in this game, as I told you, they're going to play tag. And before we get started, I'm going to show you guys how it's going to work. So you're going to click LeBron, and Anna's going to say you can't catch me. I'm just going to roam around. And when Elsa touches on or catches Anna, she will say gotcha, and she will score a point. So right now she's scored 2 points. In upcoming videos, I'm also going to show you guys how to end the game after you get this much points. So for now, we're just going to keep on scoring points, and in upcoming videos, I will show you guys how to end the game after scoring 10 points, 100 points, or like that. So this you might think it's going to be really hard, but it's actually not. We just need to do the code. So yeah, making a game, telling you guys, making a game is going to be really different than actually making an app, because making a game, you don't have to go to another page to design the game. You just have to stay in that page and design some stuff, then you could get started with the code. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna go to code.org, and as you know, if you don't have an account, you can sign up. I'm already signed in, but if you have an account and you didn't sign in, you could sign in. And then I'm gonna go down, and we're gonna do Infinity. So you can't find that project in the 4 projects that will always show up. That's why you have to click on View Full List menu. And then it says Playlab, Infinity, and more. I'm going to click on Infinity. So here we are. So the first time you're doing it says instructions. Create anything you like and share it. So this is what we're going to do. So first it always shows up like that. Before we get started, if you want, you can change the background. Today I'm going to change our background to Icy looks like this. Here. It's snowing. Looks like this. So I think maybe Icy would look good. So I'm going to do Icy. Yeah. And now I'm going to set a character. So character 1, or actor 1, not character. You could go character or actor. Actor 1 is going to be Elsa. And actor 2 is going to be Anna. So the person who's playing my game, or if you're playing your own game, we are controlling Elsa. We're not controlling Anna, because Anna is getting controlled by the code we're writing, or you can write your own code to move her around, or the computer is going to do it for us. Anna is going to be moved by the computer. So yeah. So we got our characters ready, and let's get started. We're first gonna, to control Elsa, we need some things to do, but to control Anna, we don't need those things because Anna is controlling by the computer. So that's where we're gonna take the repeat forever block. And the repeat forever block, it repeats forever and ever and ever and ever in the game. So yeah, if you want, you can change it, but it's just telling you guys that it's going to repeat forever. And these blocks, you might be thinking, why are they not sticking? Even though they don't connect to the other blocks, it's fine. We're just gonna put it here and still works the code. Just telling you. So Anna, so we're gonna take the MOA actor 2 because Anna is actor 2, so MOA actor 2, not up, not down, not right, not left, random. If you pick random, the computer is gonna move it everywhere. So it says MOA actor 2, random, 25 pixels or 100 pixels. Just gonna pick 100 pixels. So you can see here. She's moving random. Really moving random, isn't that cool? Okay. And while she's gonna move that, she's gonna say something. So I'm actually gonna scroll down. It says vanish actor. Actor 1 say hi there, and you can change that part and wait for a half second. We're gonna take actor 1 say hi there. She's gonna not say that. There are more you could do from the game, but today I'm gonna do. Oh, gotcha. Fine, you can't catch me. You can't catch me. So it says repeat forever. MOA actor 2 random 100 pixels. And at the same time, actor 1 say you can't catch me. So now let's control our Elsa. And to control Elsa, we need to control her by the up, down, right, left keys. So that's why we need to first get ready those. So we're gonna do wait. When up arrow means when up arrow is clicked, more. So it goes like actor 1 up because actor 1 is our Elsa, and it's gonna go like this for every single thing, like down, left, right. If you want, you can pause the video and do it by yourself, or you can just watch me do it and do it with me. And then left arrow, more actor 1 left, and then one right arrow, more actor 1. Didn't work. 2. Right. So now let's see if it works. You can see. Oh, wait. Stays happen. Forgot to change this to actor 2. So that's why I say it's okay if mistakes happen, but I always reread my code when I'm not done, because rereading anything again will kind of help you. So that's why. Now let's try. Okay. So now I have to create the real game. After the arrows are ready, I'm gonna say when actor 1 touches any actor, take that block. Not any actor, actor 2. When actor 1 touches actor 2, score point, and we're going to play a sound that says, let's see, a win point sound. So when actor 1 touches actor 2, score points and play win points up. Okay? Excuse me. And honestly, when she was there for a second, she's striking us. Okay, there we go. So let's reread it in just in case. One run, said icy background, said actor 1 to Elsa Mage, and said actor 2 to Onyx. Repeat forever and do move actor 2 random, 100 pixels. Actor 2 say you can't catch me at the same time. And when at bar, move actor 1 up. When down arrow, move actor 1 down. When left arrow, move actor 1 left. When right arrow, move actor 1 right. And when actor 1 touches actor 2, score a point and at the same time play the win point sound. So let's get ready and run and see. This is scoring a point. Sometimes you can also use keyboard. So yeah, I hope you had fun, but we're not gonna leave this like this. We have to rename it. So we're gonna rename it. And remember, don't click remix again, because if you click remix, it's gonna remix again, and it's already remixed. So we're gonna name it Frozen Tag, because Anna also from the movie Frozen. So I'm gonna name it Frozen Tag, or you can name it anything. When I save it, then you can share it to everybody. Your family, you can copy the link and or send it to the phone. And I hope you like this video, and I hope you learned a new thing. Remember, if you didn't get it correct, just fine. Just try it again. Try your best. Remember to subscribe and ring the bell button for more notifications. Bye. See you later.